Hey, it's Leigh Marcus with App Properties, and today we're going to be talking about 4 easy ways to winterize your home to keep costs down. Looking to save some money during the cold months, I have a few tips that can help. Number 1, change your furnace filters often. I'd say every 1 to 2 months during the heating season. Dirty filters restrict the airflow and increase energy demand. Number 2, run fans in reverse. So many people think ceiling fans are used for cooling, but on the contrary, if you switch the direction of the blades to clockwise, it will circulate the air pooled near the ceiling back into the living space and can cut your heating costs as much as 10%. Number 3, turn down your water heater. So most of the conventional water heaters are set to about 140 degrees by installers, but by lowering it to about 120 degrees, you can reduce your water heating costs by 6 to 10%. And number 4, your thermostat. It's easy to forget to turn down the heat when you leave the house. So programming your thermostat for the hours when you're away at either work or on vacation can help you save big time. So for every degree you lower the thermostat, you'll save between 1 and 3% of your heating bill. If you have any questions on anything I can help with, please give me a call.